Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a 3D text effect without using the Photopea website or the Photoshop application. Yes, you heard me right.
Wait, let's get into the tutorial.
This is the Creators Lodge and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button so when next I drop a tutorial video, YouTube will notify you. Alright guys, so the first thing to do is to open your Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using, and then you search for Text Studio. You can see this guy's Text Studio, and once you search Text Studio, you are going to see this Text Studio here, this link, this second link. Click on it and it's going to take you to the Text Studio home page where we're going to be doing the editings. Alright guys, so this is what the home page looks like, and you can see some functions, amazing functions that you can make use of here. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to click on the Text Studio here, and then it's going to take you to the home page. All right, click on this Text Studio here. It's going to take you to the home page. Now this is where you get amazing text effects that you can edit. You can see amazing text effects, and these text effects here, you can see the free, you can see the ones that are premium. Anyone that has this crown icon, it means that it's a premium text effect. You can't edit it for free, but you can see amazing free text effects here that you can use, and it is a lot here, a lot guys. You can see this clean, you can see this blue 3D, you can see this red. This is the text effect I edited for this YouTube thumbnail, this video thumbnail. All right, so I'm going to click on this blue 3D now. Once you click on any text effect you want to edit, make sure it's free. All right, once you click on it, it's going to take you here. Now you can see this guy's blue 3D text effects. Now in order to change this text and write whatever text you want to write, inside of this box there is a box here. Just click inside of the box, guys, and then you delete the text. You can see this, guys, and then let's write spark. Guys, can you see this? Can you see that it's having effect? You can decide to write another text again, and you can write spark tune, and you have something like this, guys. So this is how you change the text in the Text Studio. Now if you want to change the font, this place you are going to see the font name here where I'm highlighting here. You're going to see this, guys. Click on it, guys, and then it's going to take you to the font. These are the default fonts, amazing fonts you have here. You can check on the new, you can check on random, and if you want to import a font from your gallery, you want to make use of a font from a gallery, you can click on this import. Once you click on import, it's going to pop up the media picker. So you click on the media picker and then you choose the font from your gallery, whichever font you have that you want to use, but I'm not going to be doing that right now. So these are amazing fonts that you can change, guys. You can change to any font. Let's just pick one font. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Now this active regular, now you can see this, guys, it has changed. The font has changed to active regular, and you can choose other fonts here. Retro Mento, guys, you can see this. So this is how you change the font here. Now if you want to download, but let me just show you guys something before showing download. Now once you click on this icon here that looks like this fire icon, you are going to see icons, a lot of amazing icons that you can use here. All right, so let's assume I want to add this YouTube icon. I click on YouTube and it's going to take effect on the design. Guys, can you see this? So it's going to take effect. If you want to delete, you delete here. You see this icon here, you delete. All right, so I'm going to delete it. And if you want to edit whatever you want to edit, guys, you can edit using all these icons, this character spacing, this line height, this rotation and all that, but I'm not going to be touching all this. I don't need anything here. That's why I'm not touching all this, guys. I don't need anything here. Now you can see at this bottom here, you can see the letter B. You can see if you want to bold the text, you click on letter B, and then if you want to change it to right alignment, you click here. If you want to change it to left, you click here, and if you want the center alignment, you click here. And that is how you work with this text effect. Now if you want like an animation, a GIF animation, you are going to click this here. You click this here. Now once you click this, there are a lot of animations here that you can make use of. If you want this to be blinking, I'm going to click on blink. Guys, can you see this text effect? Can you see that it's blinking, guys? If you want it to be clockwise, you can click on clock. Can you see this, guys? So a lot of amazing, and you can regulate the duration. You can change it to 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. You can change the animation duration, but I'm not going to be making use of animation. I don't need it, so I'm just going to leave it that way. And guys, if you want to add images, you can click here. All right, you can click here. You have a lot of amazing images here that you can add, and that is for that. And the most important one I want to show you guys here is that if you are done editing the text effect and you want to save it such that you can come back to edit it, all you need to do is to click here. But you have to create an account. You click here and then you see, guys, you see this is my account. I've created an account. Any text effect you save is going to save here as effect. I'm going to click this effect now. You can see this is my text effect that I just saved. You can see that it is saved here. So you can click it again. If you want to edit, you can click again. You can download, you can click and edit again and stuff like that. Now let's go back. I'm going to show you guys if you want to save as project such that you can come back to edit. Now this last icon here, you click this download. Now once you click download, you can see that you can only download in the medium quality, which is pretty much good, is pretty much okay. If you want to download on the high quality or the maximum, you have to subscribe to the pro version. But here you can see PNG transparent. If you want to download this 3D as PNG, you don't want the blue background to show, you click on this second PNG transparent, guys, not this first one. This second one, it is going to download without the background. If you want to download it as JPEG, you click this. If you want to download as PDF, you click this. Now if you want to save it as project such that when you come back to this website you can edit the text again, please save this as my account. I'm going to do that now. I'll click on my account and this text effect is going to save. You can see this text has been saved in your account. Now to check your saved text effect, you click on your account. Remember, you need to have an account. You need to create an account into Gmail. Now click on your account and click on your effect. You are going to see, guys, can you see this text effect? It's now reflecting in the account, guys, and I can click it again if I want to edit. I just click it now and it's going to load to the page where it's going to enable you to edit. Can you see this, guys? Now let's save as PNG transparent. So I'm going to click as PNG transparent. Now it's going to pop up to subscribe, but don't subscribe. If you want to, you can, but if you want to download without subscribing, you click on download and it's going to download to your gallery. Now guys, let's click open. So you can see this is the blue 3D. You can see how sharp it is. So it's pretty much okay. And you can see it's on white background, but this is not a background. It's a transparent text effect. If you import it into your, Pixel Lab or wherever you want to use it, it's going to reflect as a transparent, text. All right. And then if you want to save as JPEG, let's download as JPEG. It's going to download into the gallery as JPEG. All right, so you just click on download and it's downloading and you click open. Now can you see this, guys? It's downloaded the background and it's pretty much okay when it comes to the quality. It's pretty much fair. All right, so this is how you edit text effects. I'm going to just click on the text effect icon again. So I'm going to show you guys one more text effect, but I'm not going to be editing it. I'm just going to show you guys the text effect. So I'm just going to pick, guys, you can see this trend. You can decide to use whichever text effect you want to use, and there are lots of them, actually lots of them. So I'm just going to scroll and look for, guys, can you see this orc? Now this is orc text effect and you can see deluxe here. So this is orc, this is deluxe. Now this is orc. All you need to do is to click inside of the box, delete the orc and write whatever you want to write, and you have your text effect. So guys, this is how you edit text effect. This is how you edit text effect without using the Photopea website. I pretty much love this because it's cool. It doesn't stress me like Photopea. It's pretty much amazing and you can try it anytime you feel like, guys. So thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to do well to like this video, comment what you feel about this in the comment section. Please, I'd love to have your feedback. I'd love to have your comment, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Until next time, guys.